Search Titipo on YouTube. A Long Haul, Part 1.
Choo Choo Town welcomes a new morning.
Hi.
But it seems Titipo is still sleeping.
Titipo? Titipo! It's almost time for your shift. Titipo?
Yes! Coming! I must have overslept!
Fix! My name is Fix.
Lift, good morning, Lift.
Oh. Yo, Titipo!
Good morning.
Hi, boy!
Bye, bro.
Later, yo.
Oh, yeah! I have to wash!
Oh no! I'm so late!
Oh, good morning, Diesel.
Morning!
Did you oversleep too?
Yeah! No! I mean,
Oh?
I wouldn't say that. I'm in a rush. Bye!
Huh? Diesel, I need to wash too!
If you snooze, you lose. Sorry. Hold on. This means you're last. Boo-hoo, poor you.
Not nice!
Titipo ended up having a late start.
Good morning, Mr. Herb.
Here you are, Titipo. You're running late. Better head out.
I'll see you later, sir.
All right, be safe.
It's the next morning.
Titipo! It's almost time for your shift. Wake up!
Oh, I overslept again! I have to hurry! Oh! Yes, there's one open! Diesel!
Poor you. You're last again.
Hello, Mr. Herb.
Titipo, you're late again. You must wake up earlier. This won't do. If you oversleep, I have to wake you. If you get a late start, the passengers must wait.
Mr. Herb gently scolded Titipo to wake up earlier.
Fast.
I'll be on my way, sir.
All right, have a safe route.
Oh, it's Diesel.
Super strong Diesel!
Diesel!
Titipo, you really scared me.
Because of you, I got into trouble with Mr. Herb.
I was in a hurry before. Sorry, Titipo.
I'm not talking to you anymore.
What? Titipo! He's angry, but it's no big deal.
Titipo and Diesel haven't spoken to each other for a few days.
Look over there! It's so pretty. The weather's great too. It's so nice to be on an outing, right, guys?
Yep.
It's the next day, and Titipo is returning to Choo Choo Town after work.
I'm done for the day.
Good job.
Titipo, I'm glad you're back.
Hey, you have a long-haul test tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I leave tomorrow, and I'll be back in a few days.
The long trip will be tiring. You should go and rest up, Titipo.
Okay, will do.
Good night, Mr. Herb.
Good night.
Bedtime.
Yep. I guess Diesel's not home yet. Good night, Eric, Titipo.
Sweet dreams.
Should I make up with Diesel before I leave?
Diesel should be back by now. Oh? Oh, here he comes.
I'm back.
Good job, Diesel. You must be tired. Go get some sleep.
Okay. Oh, Mr. Herb, Is Titipo back too?
Yes, he returned just a few minutes ago.
Okay, I'll head in too then.
All right, good night.
Oh, should I check in with Titipo? But he's sleeping already. I better not wake him.
It's finally the morning of Titipo's long-haul test run.
Titipo, what are you all doing out here?
We came to see you off and wish you luck.
Since you'll be gone for a bit.
Safe travels, Titipo.
Thanks, everyone. But, where is Diesel?
Beats me. Haven't seen him around.
Hurry back to talk about foreign trains on the tracks.
I can't wait to yakety yak.
Sure, I'll tell you everything. See you when I get back.
Have a safe trip.
Center!
Titipo, good morning. Are you excited?
Yeah, and a bit nervous, too.
You got this, don't worry. Okay, let's get linked up.
Yup.
You're all set.
Thank you. I'll be off now.
Be safe.
I will. Good morning, Mr. Herb.
Oh, here you are. Are you ready for your trip?
Yes. By the way, has Diesel left for work?
I'm afraid you just missed him. Diesel asked about you, too. Is there some kind of problem?
No, it's nothing. Don't worry about it, sir.
All right, be careful.
Will do. See you when I get back.
Radio me if something happens.
Okay. Titipo, Titipo. Titipo! Oh? Tayo! Where are you going today? This time I'm going far because it's a long haul. A long haul? That's so cool! See you when I get back. Yep, good luck. Oh? It's Diesel. Should I tell him I'm on a long haul? Oh no! We're going different ways.
Unfortunately, Titipo had to leave without saying goodbye to Diesel.
Let's go!
Loading and loading. You're all set, Diesel. You can head off now.
Great. Thank you, Craney.
Strange. It's not like Diesel to be so down.
Diesel!
Oh,
Hello?
Tayo, it's you.
I ran into Titipo this morning, and now I've run into you.
You saw Titipo?
Yeah, he said he was going on a long haul.
A long haul?
Diesel?
Huh?
What's wrong? Didn't Titipo tell you he was going?
No, he did.
This is where we part ways. See you, Diesel!
Goodbye, Tayo. If I had known last night, I would have woken him.
Titipo?
Hi, Mr. Herb.
The forecast says the weather over there might get bad. How is it?
Great. So far, so good.
That's a relief. You haven't dozed off, have you, sleepyhead?
Of course not. Don't worry, Mr. Herb.
Be careful, and if you have a problem, let me know. You can do this.
Yes, sir. It's so hot. It's just Sandy Hill after Sandy Hill. Oh? Diesel? It looks like Diesel. Oh, I think it's really him. Diesel, what are you doing here?
heat is playing tricks on Titipo.
Oh? What is that? Ah! Ah! I can't see! Mr. Herb! Mr. Herb!
Huh? What's wrong, Titipo?
I'm caught in a giant sandstorm!
Sandstorm? You must get out of there right now!
Okay, copy that! But I can't see in front of me because the sandstorm!
Titipo? Titipo!
Mr. Herb! I lost the signal! What do I do?
Titipo is caught in a violent sandstorm. Stay strong, Titipo. Titipo is going on a long-haul test run on some newly laid tracks. Across the river, past tall mountains, through a vast desert. While Titipo was racing toward his destination, he ran into a giant sandstorm.
A long haul, part 2.
The little trains have gathered in Choo Choo Town.
Titipo? Titipo! Titipo!
Mr. Herb, were you able to reach Titipo?
No, Jeannie, I'm afraid not.
Did something happen to Titipo?
Is it something bad?
Oh, no, you don't have to worry. It's very late, so why don't you go to your quarters and get some sleep?
Yes, sir. Do you think Titipo's all right?
I really hope so.
Good night, everyone.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh?
Good night, Eric.
Good night, Jeannie.
I hope everything's okay.
Diesel.
Are you awake?
Oh? Who are you?
Hi there. My name's Jenny.
Jenny? Hi, I'm Titipo. But, what am I doing here?
You really don't remember? Well, you did faint after all. Sandstorms happen a lot in this area, and there was a big one today. I was rushing to pass through it when I saw you. So I towed you out with me.
That's what happened. Thank you for rescuing me.
Sure. I'm just glad that you're awake now.
I've never seen a sandstorm before. It's scary.
It's not that scary. I carry cargo to countries far and wide. It usually takes a few days for me to reach my destinations, so I'm used to a few sandstorms and snowstorms too.
Wow!
Anyway, where are you going?
Me? I'm on a test run. It's my first time here. Oh, I
Oh?
should try contacting Mr. Herb again.
Yeah.
Mr. Herb! Mr. Herb! He's not answering.
Your radio must be down because of the sandstorm. Come on, follow me.
Okay.
Oh? Titipo, what's wrong?
I just miss my Choo Choo Town friends, that's all.
So you're feeling down, huh? In that case, repeat after me.
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, choo, choo.
Again,
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, choo, choo.
Little train, chug, chug, choo, choo.
Yo!
Let's move out, chug, chug, choo, choo. On the rails, chug, chug, choo, choo.
Yo!
Chanting loud, chug, chug, choo, choo. Having fun, chug, chug, choo, choo. Shout it out, chug, chug, choo, choo.
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, choo, choo. Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, choo, choo. Wow, that was awesome, Jenny.
When you're down, this chant will pick you up.
Yes, it sure will.
Titipo, just follow the rail straight that way.
Yeah.
I have to go this way. Guess this is where we part.
Oh, that's too bad. Hey, Jenny, wanna come to Choo Choo Town one day?
Okay, sounds good. See you soon.
Yeah, see you!
After parting with Jenny, Titipo headed back on course. It was a long trip, but thankfully, he arrived at his destination without much trouble.
Titipo, Titipo!
Meanwhile, the friends in Choo Choo Town were still worried about Titipo.
Hey guys,
Hi, Jeannie.
any news of Titipo? No, nothing today either.
Do you think something bad happened?
No, I'm sure he's all right. I really hope so. I'm going to head in.
Come on, time for bed.
Okay, good night. Good night.
Good night.
Titipo.
Yikes!
Hey there! Oi, little train! This is my turf! How dare you pass through without permission?
Oh, sorry, but I'm just on a test run.
Test run? Practice run? I really don't care. The only way I'll let you pass is if you answer my question correctly. But if you answer incorrectly, then I'll have to gobble you up. Is that clear?
What? Okay.
Then we have a deal, right? Okay, I'll give you my question. Out of all the things in the world, what's the coolest thing? Huh?
The coolest thing? I don't really know.
You don't know? Oh, think carefully. It could be right in front of you.
The answer is Diesel. He's a super strong freight train.
Huh? Are you kidding me? How cool can a lousy little chugga-chugga freight train be?
Diesel is pretty cool.
Wrong! The answer is me, the dragon. Because I'm super strong and I can fly up high. I'm the coolest of cool. A deal is a deal. It's time to gobble you up.
Titipo! I was dreaming. Oh.
It's the next morning.
I'm off to work.
Okay, bye. Have a safe shift, Eric.
Mr. Herb!
Huh? Good morning, Diesel.
Mr. Herb, do you think Titipo got gobbled up by the scary dragon?
What? Oh, Diesel. Dragons don't exist.
They don't, do they? If they did, they wouldn't eat Titipo, right? I really hope not.
I'll find out what's going on. Stop worrying and go to work.
Okay, I'll see you later, sir.
Be careful. Everyone's worried about Titipo. Oh dear, I hope he comes back safely.
The sun has started to set. Thankfully, Titipo is on his way back to Choo Choo Town.
I'm still not home. I really miss my friends. Huh?
In that case, repeat after me.
Uh-huh. Okay, time to cheer up. Chug, chug, choo, choo. Chug, chug, choo, choo. Chug, chug, choo, choo. Chug, chug, choo, choo. Little train, chug, chug, choo, choo. Let's move out, chug, chug, choo, choo. On the rails, chug, chug, choo, choo. Chanting loud, chug, chug, choo, choo. Having fun, chug, chug, choo, choo. Shout it out, chug, chug, choo, choo. Chug, chug, choo, choo. Chug, chug, choo, choo. Chug, chug, choo, choo. Chug, chug, choo, choo.
It's nighttime now.
If he's on schedule, Titipo should be back by this evening. Huh? Oh, is that... Titipo!
Huh? Hi, Mr. Herb! I made it!
Welcome back. I was worried when I couldn't reach you.
Did something happen?
I think my radio broke down during the sandstorm.
Oh dear, that could have been bad. Well, you must be tired. Go and get some rest.
Okay. Good night, Mr. Herb.
Good night.
Titipo! You're back safe and sound. Titipo is back. Titipo is back, everyone.
What did he say?
I think he said Titipo is back.
Titipo has come back?
Really?
I see him. Huh? It really is Titipo.
Titipo!
Oh? Hi, guys. Why are you still up? Well, we were all worried about you. We're still happy you got back safely.
Titipo! Titipo, I'm sorry for cutting in front of you at the wash.
Diesel.
I'm so relieved that you're home in one piece. I thought I was never going to see you again because the dragon gobbled you up. I was worried sick.
Dragon?
Diesel, dragons don't exist.
He's so silly. Diesel, you and your imagination.
Are you sure dragons aren't real?
I'm tired. I'm gonna go sleep.
Titipo, can I sleep over?
But our quarters aren't big enough for 2 trains.
I know, but maybe I can squeeze in. I can suck in my breath.
The Choo Choo Town friends gave Titipo a warm welcome. Good night, little trains.
Diesel is different.
It's morning in Choo Choo Town.
Today's my day off. How should I spend it? Oh, there's Jeannie.
Oh, a mud puddle.
Jeannie.
Oh, Diesel, morning.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see there was a puddle there.
Diesel, I know you did it on purpose. Come back here.
Don't wanna.
What?
All Diesel could think about was his next prank.
Oh?
La 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 la. You scared me.
Titipo.
That's not funny.
Titipo is big scaredy cat.
Diesel.
Gotta go. Later. I love playing pranks. It's so fun. Huh? That's Loco.
I don't feel very good today.
Loco!
Oh, Diesel.
Are you going to work?
Yeah, to the industrial area.
Hey, Loco, let's have a race to see who gets there first.
A race?
Ready, go!
Diesel!
Loco's big slowpoke.
A big slowpoke? Eep, yeah.
Oh.
Woohoo! Take that, I'm faster! Whoop, whoop,
Loco!
Oh no, Loco went too fast and derailed.
Loco. Teo, is Loco badly hurt?
Not sure. I'll have to do a complete checkup to know. You must be in shock too, Diesel, so go rest up.
Loco, I'm sorry. I'm to blame.
Teo will fix me up. Don't worry, Diesel.
I hope you get better soon. Bye, Teo. I'll be off then.
Bye. Get some rest.
Okay.
That night, the little trains gathered at the control center.
Well, Loco needs a new component, so he'll stay at the plant until it comes.
Poor Loco. He must have been scared.
Yeah.
It's strange because it's not like Loco to speed up at a curve. Oh?
Actually, the accident happened because of me.
You?
I teased him and called him a slowpoke. So he sped up to prove me wrong. I'm so sorry.
There, Diesel. Loco will be all right. But from now, no more dangerous pranks, understood?
Yes, sir.
All right, you'd better head in.
Okay. I've never seen him so sad. It's Diesel. By tomorrow, he'll be back to playing pranks. Yeah, you're right. Of course. Come on, let's all go home. Okay.
The next morning, Diesel and Titipo are off to work.
Oh, it's Diesel. Look who's the scaredy cat. You screamed louder than I did.
You must have been really scared when I played that prank. I'm sorry, Titipo.
I only meant to make you laugh. Hi, Diesel.
Hi, Jeannie.
You're done early. Want to go on an outing?
No, thanks. I can't go.
No? But why? Aren't you free now?
A naughty train like me doesn't deserve to go on an outing.
What?
That night, the little trains were going to visit Loco.
Diesel, come on out!
Hey, guys. I don't think I should go with you.
What?
I'm not sure Loco will be happy to see me. Just go without me.
Oh, Diesel. Hi, Loco. Hey, guys. How are you feeling? Teo said, once I get the new part in, I'll be good to go. What a relief. But, where's Diesel? Oh, Diesel? After your accident, he sort of changed a bit. A lot. He won't even go on an outing. And he said that you wouldn't want to see him, so he didn't come. Really? I think Diesel feels guilty about your fall. Oh, I see. But I like that Diesel is bright and playful. Oh, hey guys! I have an idea that might bring Diesel back to normal. Huh? What's your idea? Titipo Titipo!
The next day, the little trains take Diesel to the quarry.
We're here!
Why are we at the quarry?
Diesel, remember the first time you showed me around the quarry? I've always wanted to thank you for what you did.
Thank me?
Mm-hmm. This is what happened. Wow!
It's this way!
Oh, okay.
Huh? What's an express train doing here?
Huh? I guess it's tough for Sing Sing to get to know the other freight trains. Ah! Hey, Sing Sing, stay right here.
Here? Why here? Oh.
You'll see.
Ah! Diesel, I'm a mess.
Look at Sing Sing, everyone!
Hey, Diesel! Your prank could have gotten your friend hurt.
Are you okay?
Well, yes, I'm okay.
Instead of prankster Diesel, let us show you around the quarry.
Wow, really?
You bet. Come on, just follow us.
Okay.
Wait for me!
I know you played that prank on purpose, so I could make friends with the others. Thank you, Diesel.
No prob.
Okay, time for our next location.
Next location?
The little trains take Diesel to Choo Choo Town's auditorium.
Diesel, do you remember what happened here last time?
Here?
Remember? Jeannie and I got into a fight. It probably started already! Oh, no! Are there any spots? There's one! Oh! It's my turn to watch from the front row! No, it's my turn this time, remember? Nope, don't remember. You do!
So silly. Are you seriously fighting over a spot like children?
Oh, well... Titipo. I'm sorry. Don't be. I was being selfish. I'm sorry.
There! Now that's how good friends should act. Then I'll take the front row spot.
Diesel! Oh, he's impossible. Jeannie, do you want to just watch together from here? Okay. Thanks to you, Diesel, Titipo and I made up. We owe you, Diesel.
I'm glad.
Yep, I knew it. Being bright and playful suits you better. It's true. It gets boring when you don't play pranks on us.
Thank you, guys. I feel better. Hey, it's a nice day. Want to go out and play?
Sounds good.
The little trains are on their way to the sea.
What happened? The sky has turned so dark.
It looks like rain.
Whoa! Whoa! We should turn back.
I shouldn't have suggested an outing. I'm sorry, you guys.
It's okay, Diesel. Hey, I know. Let's sing that song.
What song?
You know, the cool song you taught us on our outing last time. Oh, that's right. It was raining then, just like today. I remember. We had so much fun singing with you. Let's sing it again now. Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, it is raining. Splish splash, splish splash, splish splash, it is raining. Pitter patter, one step, two step, let's dance together. Splish splash, a happy song like the pretty rainbow.
While the little train sang cheerfully, the sun came out.
I feel so happy. Diesel! Hi there, guys. Hello, Loco.
Loco, are you all better now?
Of course. I'm as good as new.
I'm so thankful. I was so worried about you.
Diesel, about that.
Huh?
Teo told me something. He said I derailed partly because I didn't have regular checkups.
What? So it wasn't all my fault? And here I was feeling so guilty.
Sorry, Diesel.
Why, you loco?
I'll get regular checkups, I promise.
Do you know how bad I felt all this time?
Thanks to his friends, Diesel is bright and playful again. But no more dangerous pranks, Diesel.
Mr. Herb has puppy love.
Jeannie is dropping off passengers at a station.
We're at the station.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jeannie. No problem. Bye. Have a nice day. I'm all done. Time to go home. Oh? Oh, it's you, Coney. Hello, Coney.
Jeannie, hi there.
Good afternoon. Oh? Wow, so cute. Who are you?
Oh, this is Coney's new baby.
Wow, no wonder they look alike.
Don't they? I'm searching for someone to take care of this little pup.
Whoever that someone is sure is lucky.
Then why don't you raise the puppy, Jeannie?
Me raise it?
Yeah. You looked after Coney really well, so I think you'd be great with the puppy.
Okay, I'll give it a try. Let's be good friends.
With her puppy on board, Jeannie returns to town.
Mr. Herb! Mr. Herb!
Oh, you seem to be in a good mood today, Jeannie.
I am. It's because I saw the cutest puppy ever.
Oh, how nice.
Mr. Herb, do you think we could raise a puppy here?
Raise a puppy here? Keeping a dog in town may be difficult.
How come?
Because, anyway, it's not allowed.
It's not? What do I do?
If that's all, you should go in and rest up.
Oh, okay. Goodbye, Mr. Herb.
Bye-bye.
Wow, what a cute puppy! I know, and I know I can take care of it. But why won't Mr. Herb allow it? Oh, yeah. I think I heard Steam saying that Mr. Herb was afraid of dogs. Really? I'm very sorry, but I think you'll have to return the puppy. Seriously? How can I return it when it's so cute? I'm just going to raise the puppy in secret. What? You're coming home with me, puppy. I hope it works out.
It's the next morning, and Jeannie is about to start her shift.
I'll be back soon, so wait right here. Be good.
Oh, it's lunchtime. Let's eat. What's the sound? Get away! Do you want this? There! Huh? Yes. Thank you for checking. No one called their shelter about a dog missing. It must be going home finally.
It's the next day.
It's the perfect weather for a leisurely walk. Stay back! Get away from me! Why do you keep coming here? Are you hungry again? This should keep it from coming in. You want to eat inside here? Huh? Little rascal. It must like it here.
Mr. Herb's fear of dogs began to disappear.
It's really coming down. Huh? Oh! Oh dear, you're soaking wet.
Titipo Titipo!
Oh, where did I put the towel? Here it is. Oh, you must be freezing. All dry. All right. Here. Oh, what are you doing? Get down! Huh? Oh. Oh? It doesn't seem to have an owner. Maybe it could live here. Oh, that's right, Jeannie. Keeping a dog in town may be difficult. This is a pickle since I told Jeannie no.
Mr. Herb!
Oh, Jeannie, it's you. Are you done for the day?
I am.
Huh?
That sounded like a dog barking. What's going on?
Jeannie didn't hear that, did she?
I'm going to head on in, sir.
Yes, yes. Hurry and rest up.
Did the puppy get out?
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, you rascal. Are you off? Bye-bye. Where does it go every day?
Here you are. I was looking for you. It's my day off tomorrow, so we can play all day.
It's the next day, and Mr. Herb is worried because the puppy missed its regular visit.
Why hasn't it come today? I hope there wasn't an accident.
Wow! You want to play again?
Jeannie! Jeannie!
Huh? Yes, Mr. Herb?
Can you take me around Choo Choo Town? I'm looking for something.
Oh, sure. I'll be happy to help.
Thank you.
Of course. I'll head out to the control center now. Be right back. Just wait for me here. Mr. Herb!
Oh, Jeannie, that was fast.
Yes. So, what are you looking for?
Oh, well, it's something that means a lot to me.
Oh, okay.
With Jeannie's help,
Where is
Mr.
it?
Herb looked in every corner of Choo Choo Town.
Oh, it's not here either.
Oh, yes, we haven't checked your quarters.
What? My quarters?
Let's hurry. Can you take me to your quarters now?
Okay. Oh, no. It's not here, is it?
No, I'm afraid not.
Well, then, let's go look somewhere else.
All right.
I'm in trouble.
Oh, you rascal! So here you are! Oh, my!
Oh, that's strange. Aren't you afraid of dogs, Mr. Herb?
Actually, the thing I was looking for was this little puppy.
What? Oh.
I think it's a stray. It's been visiting me every day and we got close.
Mr. Herb? I've something to confess. I've been
Jeannie
secretly
ended up
keeping
telling
the puppy
Mr.
in my
Herb the
quarters all
honest
this
truth.
time.
Oh, I see.
I'm very sorry.
Look, Jeannie, how about this? We raise the pup in Choo Choo Town together.
Are you sure? Wow, this is great!
Now, what should we call it? What about Chi-Chi?
Chi-Chi?
Yes.
Oh?
It lives in our town now, so a name similar to Choo Choo is Chi-Chi.
Chi-Chi from Choo Choo Town. It's super cute. Hi, Jeannie. Mr. Herb. Huh? Titipo.
Are you done with work?
All done. Oh, good news. We've decided to raise the puppy in Choo Choo Town. We've named it Chi-Chi. Wow, that's great. Chi-Chi. It's a cute name. From now on, let's be good friends, Chi-Chi. Yeah, really good friends. Oh?
There's a new friend in Choo Choo Town. Welcome home, Chi-Chi.
Fix and Lift's music battle.
Fix and Lift are having fun singing.
Leaving the city and hustle bustle over the bridge and into the tunnel.
Go to the forest.
Forest.
Little bird sing. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Yeah!
Fix.
Huh? Yo, my bros.
Hello. Practicing for the battle, huh?
Yeah, it's in just a few days.
Don't worry, guys. You're gonna win first place for sure.
That's right. Fix's rapping skills are the best in the world.
Thank you, Diesel.
And there's no one in town who can sing better than Lift.
I hope we don't mess up and let you down.
That would never happen, and you know it.
We'll be rooting for you. Good luck.
Thanks, we'll do our best.
Okay, we have to go to work now.
See ya.
Bye! Can't hide my rapping skills. Diesel even noticed.
My singing's the best? Oh, that Titipo. Singing is important in music.
Rapping is just as important as singing.
Well, yeah, if you insist.
Uh-oh. Things are getting a bit tense between them. The next day, Fix and Lift begin practicing again.
Leaving the city and hustle bustle over the bridge and into the tunnel. Passing through a forest full of singing birdies over a big hill, speeding past valleys.
Hey, Fix.
Yeah?
Wanna practice together?
Why not?
Leaving
Leaving the city and hustle bustle over the bridge and into the tunnel.
Little bird sing. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Lift!
Oh,
You're coming in too early. I haven't finished my rap.
well, you started rapping before I finished my singing.
What? After Titipo's compliment, your singing's gotten louder.
Diesel's praises yesterday must have gone to your head or something.
Don't be silly.
Hi, guys. Is something wrong?
Are you two fighting?
Fix keeps on jumping in when I'm still singing.
Look who's talking. You're the one who cut me off.
So sad. He really thinks his rapping is the best. Huh.
If you think your singing's great, think again.
Stop. That's enough.
If you're so good, sing without me.
Oh, yeah? Right back at you. I'll show you. Titipo, you're my new rapper.
But I can't rap.
Don't worry, I'll teach you how.
Oh, well...
Fine. Okay, Diesel, then it's you and me.
You and me?
I'll handle the rapping, and you do the singing.
But I can't sing well.
No worries. It's easy to learn. Now, let's go practice.
Yeah, okay.
Titipo, let's practice too.
I don't think I can rap.
Yes, you can. Just follow me.
Fix and Diesel
Let's give
are
it a
about
try.
to start practicing.
How's that?
There's no emotion. You have to put feeling into it like Lift does. Let's try it again. Lift made it look so easy.
Lift and Titipo are practicing too.
Listen carefully.
Leaving the city and hustle bustle over the bridge and into the tunnel.
Stop! The rhythm is all off.
Rhythm?
Yeah, leaving the city and hustle bustle. Hear the rhythm?
Uh-huh. Leaving the city and hustle hustle. Better?
It's not hustle hustle, but hustle bustle.
Oh, sorry. Leaving the city and hustle bustle over the bridge and into the tunnel. What was next? Oh, right. Go to the forest.
It's so different from Fix.
How's that? Did I do a good job?
Not bad, bro, but you need more practice.
Leaving the city and hustle bustle over the
That's
bridge
not
and
it,
into the
Titipo.
tunnel.
Oh, my voice. I sang so much my throat hurts.
Me too.
I'm tired. Fix made me practice all day.
Lift too. He kept saying that my rhythm was off.
They should just sing together instead of making us miserable.
I agree.
Oh, huh, I just had a great idea.
What is it?
It's the next morning.
Fix! Lift! Hey, guys!
Huh?
Here you are.
Hey, Diesel. What can I do for you this morning?
I don't know why, but Titipo has stopped moving.
Stop moving?
Has Titipo broken down?
I'm afraid so. You have to go and help him.
They should be here by now.
There he is!
Ow, 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 ow!
What's wrong, Titipo?
I don't know. My wheels won't move at all. question from Teo.
What are Titipo and Diesel up to?
Hey, Fix, lift.
What?
I'm feeling pretty bad now, but I think if you sing a song, it would cheer me up.
Sing a song? Sorry, bro. Maybe next time, though.
Next time?
This isn't going the way we planned.
Hi, Teo.
Hey guys, what's up? What's going on?
Something's wrong with Titipo.
Really? Titipo, tell me what's wrong.
Wait, Teo, just a second. Diesel, what do?
We abort.
Oh, wow! I can move now!
Thanks, Tail. We'll see you later. We failed.
What's up with those two?
Titipo, Titipo!
Finally, it's the day of the music battle.
Hello, everyone! Welcome to Choo Tail's Music Battle!
Let's begin the show! First up, the dynamic duo Speed and Shine.
Hello, all.
Wow, so cool! They really are!
Boom chaka boom chaka boom chaka boom 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 chaka boom chaka. Come on, let's dance. Boom chaka boom chaka boom.
Super, super, super mask man!
Yo, it's a bad situation when the traffic gets jammed. Listen and follow me. 1, 2, 3.
Now, next up is... Fix and Diesel!
Shouldn't it be Fix and Lift? But it's Diesel?
Diesel, you got this, right?
Yeah.
Leave in the city and hustle bustle over the bridge and into the...
Diesel singing?
Treat, 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 treat.
Sorry. Oh, Fix! I can't do this anymore.
Diesel?
The act ended more quickly than expected.
Yes, how unfortunate!
I really wanted to do well.
Oh, Fix.
Our next act is Lift and Titipo!
What? This time it's Lift and Titipo?
Titipo, ready?
Yeah. Leaving the city and hustle over the tunnel and into the bridge. Swimming through a forest full of sea.
Swimming through a forest?
Titipo, wrong lyrics.
Lyrics? Leaving the country and hula hula under the rainbow. That's not right.
Thank you for that great performance.
Indeed! And that was the final act of our battle.
It's over already? I'm so sad.
Oh, come on! I wanted to hear Fix and Lift!
Me too. Come on out, Fix and Lift.
We want Fix and Lift! We want Fix and Lift! We want Fix and Lift!
What?
We want Fix and Lift! We want Fix and Lift! We want Fix and Lift!
Everyone in the audience is shouting for Fix and Lift!
Fix, Lift, please come to the stage.
Fix, get up there. They're all waiting for you.
Hey, Lift.
Oh, hey, Fix.
Want to team up again?
Sounds good.
Fix and...
It's Fix and Lift!
Now...
Let's go.
Leave in the city and hustle bustle over the bridge and into the tunnel.
Go to the forest.
Forest.
Little birds sing.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Off we go again.
It worked out!
Totally!
impact valleys. Go
It looks like Fix and Lift have made up. They certainly make a great team. Not just as singers, but as friends too.